Now we are going to find the sum of the zeros again for this given polynomial 3x square minus 2x minus 1. What we will do? We will take let px equal to given equation, right? 3x square minus 2x minus 1. Or for zeros, what we have? For zeros of px will be what? Px we can write px equal to 0. What is px? This is polynomial. So at place of px, I will write down this 3x square minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Do the middle term factorization. So first coefficient of first term into last term. So 3 into 1, 3 prime factorization 3 will be what? 1. So with the help of these factors, we have to obtain 2. So 3x square will be 3x square. What we can write? 3 minus 1. Yes or no? Because last term might be minus sign. So we will write 3 minus 1, 2. At place of 2, 3 minus 1. X will be here. X minus 1 equal 0. What you will write here? 3x square minus into plus minus 3 into x 3x minus into minus plus 1 into x 1x minus 1 equal to 0. Take the common from first two terms. So how much common will be there? Here also 3 3. Yes, 3 common x x. So we will take 3x. So what will be here? X square, no, so we need to write x because x into x square minus it will be minus x. You have taken common, 3 also common. So what is left here? 1. 3x into 1 3x plus, yes, 1 here also 1. So we will take 1 common. So what will be here inside bracket? X, then minus 1 multiply plus into plus 1 into x we get 1x plus into minus 1 into 1 1. Correct, right? So 0 equal to 0. Now see here x minus 1, here also x minus 1. So we will take common x minus 1. Then what is left outside the bracket? So 3x plus 1, we'll write 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Right? Either what? Either first binomial here we will write x minus 1 equal to 0 or 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So x will be how much? X will be minus 1 will go that side, it will be plus 1. Here we will get 3x. To take plus 1 that side, it will be minus 1. Next step, what you will get? X equal to minus 1. Here 3 is multiplying, so it will go to that side and it will divide. So minus 1 by 3. So these two are the zeros. Okay. We will write hence the zeros of the polynomial is what? 1 and minus 1 by 3. Okay. Zeros of px are 1 and minus 1 by 3. Okay. Write down minus 1 by 3. Now we will verify it. Now let us verify it. Okay. How to verify? We have to use the formula now for verification. Okay. So we will be verifying. I will just keep this question because we need this for verification. So now what we will write? For verification. Now write down the formula. What is the formula? Sum of zeros. What is the formula? I've already given in the previous class. Minus coefficient of x by coefficient of what? Coefficient of x square. Now sum of the zeros. So here in case of sum of the zeros, we will add these zeros. We have obtained 1 and minus 1 by 3. See 1 minus 1 by 3. So 8 1. Sum is what? Plus what? Minus 1 by 3. Clear? Sum is we have to add. Now minus coefficient of x. Which one is coefficient of x? See minus 2. Yes or no? So this minus is from formula and minus 2 we have to write down here because minus 2 is the coefficient of x. divided by what? Coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square? 3. Now simplify LHS as well as RHS. So 1 will be 1, plus into minus, minus. 1 by 3 will be 1 by 3. Minus into minus, plus 2 by 3. Take the LCM here, how much? 3. Nothing is 1. 1 3 ja 3. 3 1 ja 3. Minus 3 divided by 3, 1. Yes, denominator you have to divide the LCM by denominator. You will get 1. 1 into 1 will be 1. Equal to 2 by 3. Now next step you will get what? 3 minus 1, 2 by 3 equal to 2 by 3. LHS is equal to RHS. Yes, we will write LHS equal to RHS. Now we have to verify for what? Product of zeros. Let us verify for product of zeros. So what we will write? What is the formula for product of zeros? Product of zeros. What is the formula? Zeros, it is constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Now product of zeros. So product, how much we got what? So let us find the product of 1 and our zeros are 1 and minus 1 by 3. So we will write 1. Product means into minus 1 by 3. Now equal what we can write here? Constant term how much? Last one is constant term. So see here, minus 1. So we will write constant term minus 1 divided by coefficient of x square. So coefficient of x square is 3. Now let us see, we are getting LHS equal to RHS or no. Plus into minus, minus 1 into 1, 1 by 3, then minus 1 by 3. See, we got LHS equal to RHS. What you will write? Once we got equal, in case of sum of the zeros, here also we got for product of zeros equal. LHS equal to RHS. So what you write? Verify. We will do one more similar sums from here. Let us try question number 2, subdivision 2. Question number 2, subdivision 2, we will write here 2x square plus 7x divided by 2 plus 3 by 4. Now let us find the zeros and verify whether that zeros are correct or not. So what you will write? Let px equal to, we will write down our polynomial 2x square plus 7x by 2 plus 3 by 4, right? 3 by 4. Now what you will do in next step? You will write 4 zeros of polynomial, right? 4 zeros of px or polynomial. What we have? We can always write that px will be zeros for zeros. So px equal to zeros. How much px? This polynomial, right? So at place of px we will write this. Write down 2x square plus 7x divided by 2 plus 3 by 4 equal 0. Simplify. How to simplify now? You can take the LCM of denominator and simplify. What I will do? I will take the LCM here also. LCM of 2, 4 and nothing here means 1. LCM of 2, 4 and 1 will be what? 4, right? So I will do what? Multiplying. LCM of 2, 4 and 1 will be 4, right? So we will multiply each and every term with 4. Multiply 4 into 2x square plus 4 into 7x divided by 2 plus 4 into 3 by 4 equal to 0 into 4 or 4 into 0. Now see what we are getting. 4 into 2, 8x square plus cancel here 2 is 4, 4 cancel. So we will get 7 2 is 14x plus 3 equal 0 into 4 will be what? 0. Now see how to do the middle term factorization. First term into last term. Yes, coefficient of first term into last term. 8 into 3, how much? 8 3s are 24. Do the prime factorization, you will get 2, 12, 2, you will get 6, 2, it will be 3. 3, if you want to write, you can write 1. Now you have to obtain 14 with the help of these factors, okay? And there should be plus sign. So how we will get? 8x square, you will write 8x square plus, you will write here plus. 14, how to get 14 here? 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, right? So we will write down at place of 14, 12 plus 2, x, we will write x plus 3 equals 0. Now next step, it will be 8x square plus 2 plus into plus will be plus 12 into x, 12x plus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. See, we are multiplying with x. We are removing the bracket. What will be there? 8x. Take the common from these two. What will be common here? We can take common 4, right? 4x. We'll take common 4x. How much we'll get? We will get here 4 2s are 8. So we'll write 2 x from x square. We have taken x common, so 1x will be here. Plus, we are plus 4. How many times 12? 3. X already outside. So multiplying and see, you are getting same or not. 4 2s are 8. X into x, x square. 4 3s are 12. X into 12 will be 12x, right? From here, what you can take common? Nothing is what? 1 we can take. Nothing is common here, so 1. 2x plus 3. If you will multiply with 1, you will get same thing. Next step, what you will write? See, 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 is common. We will write here 2x plus 3. Then here also outside, whatever outside the bracket, we will write in another bracket. 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Next step, we will get the 0. Yes or no? We are almost close to our answer. So what we will write here? We will write either, see, this also 0, this is also 0. So we will write this may be 0 or this one will be 0. We will write either 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 equal 0, or what we will get? 2x equal to minus 3, or x equal to minus 3 by 2. So we got this one, right? Or second value. What is the second value? 4x plus 1. So we'll write 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Next line, what you can write? 4x equal to minus 1, or x equal to minus 1 by 4. So we got our 0. You will write zeros of px are minus 3 by 2, then 1 by 4. These two are zeros. Then it's minus 1 by 4. Write down minus 1 by 4, right? Now what we will do? We will verify it whether it's correct or not. So we have to verify the relationship between sum of the zeros and product of zeros. So let us verify it. First, for what we will write? Verification or for verification? For verification. Write down here. For verification, what you write? First one is what? Sum of zeros. You know the formulas. What is the formulas? Minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Sum of zeros. What are all? There are two zeros, right? Minus 3 by 2, minus 1 by 4. So write down sum means what? Plus. You have to add these two. So minus 3 by 2 plus, here we have minus 1 by 4. Minus, write down here minus coefficient of x. How much? 7 by 4. We have to write here 7 by 2. Sorry, it's 7 by 2. Write down 7 by 2. Now coefficient of x square, how much? 2. You will write down here 2. Simplify both LHS and RHS here. It's minus 3 by 2 plus into minus 1 by 4 equal to minus, see, 7 by 2 will be 7 by 2. Then by what will write? Multiply 2. Nothing is here, 1. So when you will write by, you will remove by into, so it will be reciprocal. So what you write? 1 by 2. Yes. Take the LCM. LCM of 2 and 4 will be 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 times 2 3s are 6. Minus, we'll write minus. Minus will be here minus. 4 divided by 4, 1. 1 into 1 will be 1. Then minus into nothing here means plus. Minus into plus, minus. 7 into 1, 7. 2 into 2, 4. Next step you will get minus 6 minus 1. How much? Minus 7 by 4, right? Minus 7 by 4 equal to minus 7 by 4. What you will write? LHS equal to RHS. Why? Because we are getting same value. Now for verification, we have to verify for product of zeros. Okay, let us verify for product of zeros. So we'll write product of zeros. Product of zeros. What is the formulas for product of zeros? Constant term by coefficient of x square. Product of zeros. What are we got? Zeros, two values, right? First value is what? Yes, we have got two values. First one is first value. What we have got? Minus 3 by 2, and product we have to multiply into, right? Other zeros is what? Minus 1 by 4. We got these two zeros. So product means just multiply these two. Constant term. What is constant term? 3 by 4. Write down here 3 by 4. Coefficient of x square, how much? 2 will be 2. Then next multiply minus into minus plus 3 into 1. 3. Then 4 2s or 2 4s are 8. We got this. Now 3 by 4 will be 3 by 4 here. Nothing is what? 1. So by what you will write? Into 2 by 1. When you will write by into, so we need to write reciprocal. So it will be 1 by 2. So 3 by 8 will be equal to 3 into 1. 3. 4 2s are 8. LHS is equal to RHS. What you will write? Verified. Right? Now, so I hope you are clear with this question number 2. So 3 will be your homework. Okay, question number 3. Okay, so question number 2, subdivision 3 will be your homework. Subdivision 3 will be your homework. Try at home. Now we will move to question number 2. And the question number 3, sorry, question number 3, 2 we have finished. So now question number 3. Read question. Question number 3. So here they have given that polynomial has been given. Px equal to 3x squared plus 2k minus 1 x minus 5. What we have to find here? We have to find the value of k. We have to find the value of k. Find the value of k. Value of k. How to find the value of k? They have given the condition. If the zeros of quadratic polynomials px, this one, yes, quadratic polynomial, are equal in magnitude, means it has same value but what? Opposite in sign, but sign will be opposite. Then only we have to find the value of k. Question is what? Find the value of k where the two zeros are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. So let us find. What will write? Let the two zeros be what? Two zeros, they are given same alpha. It's same in magnitude. So alpha and what? Other will be what? Alpha. But opposite in sign. So one will plus alpha, other will be what? Minus alpha. So you can write let the two zeros or zeros be alpha and minus alpha. What? Zeros of px be. Px, zeros of px be alpha and minus alpha. Now find out the sum of zeros. So you know the formula, sum of zeros. Sum of zeros. What is the formulas? Yes, you already know that, minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Now sum of zeros. What is our zeros? Alpha and minus alpha. Find the sum. Alpha, sum means plus, then minus alpha. Minus coefficient of x. So coefficient of x is what? 2k minus. So sum of the zeros, we have added our zeros, alpha plus, then the other zero is minus alpha, right? Now minus coefficient of x. So minus is from formula. Coefficient of x, how much? It will be, yes, 2k minus 1. Write down here 2k minus 1. Divided by coefficient of x square, how much? 3. Write down 3. Next, alpha a plus, write down alpha will be alpha plus into minus, minus alpha. So next step, minus into plus, minus 2k will be 2k. Minus into plus, minus into minus, sorry, so it will be plus. 1 will be 1 divided by 3. Now alpha minus alpha is cancel or 0, right? So we'll write 0 equal to minus 2k plus 1 equal to 3. Or next step, if you take 3 that side, it will be what? 3. It will be 3 into 0 equal to minus 2k plus 1. Next step, it will be 3 into 0. 0 equal to minus 2k plus 1. Or you take plus 1. Next step, I will write like this, minus 2k plus 1. 0 I will write other side, okay? Next step, what you can write? Take plus 1 that side. It will be what? Minus 2k plus 1 will go that side. It will become minus 1. Next step, what you will get? This 2 is dividing here, right? It will go other side. Yes, here multiplying, it will go other side and divide, right? So it will be minus 2k will be there minus 1, and this minus 2 is going to that side, so dividing, so it become divided by minus 2. Minus minus cancel, so therefore k is how much? 1 by 2. So this is our answer. Now we will move to question number 4. Read question number 4, okay? Before solving any question, you have to read 2 times or 3 times. Directly you will not able to solve. So sum, why we are finding sum? Because of that 2 zeros are having what? Opposite sign. So sum, if they are reciprocal, we have to find product. If they will say 1 0 is reciprocal of others, right? So we will find the product. But if they are saying equal in magnitude, that's why we are finding sum. So it will be cancelled. So now try exercise. We are doing 2a, question number 4. First I will write down polynomial. Let px, I am denoting with px. Our polynomial already given in question, a square plus 9, then x squared plus 15x plus 6a. Now what we have to find here also, we have to find the value of a. Find the value of a. Value of a. How to find the value of a? So read question. They are saying 1 0 of the polynomial px is reciprocal of other. So we have to assume we don't know the zeros, right? So we will write let the zeros of px be, what we can take? First we will take alpha. So other will be what? Alpha and reciprocal. Reciprocal of alpha will be 1 by alpha. If I will say reciprocal of 5, what you will write? 1 by 5. Reciprocal of 9, it will be what? 1 by 9. Okay. So that way here, reciprocal of 3 by 2, it will be what? 2 by 3. Clear? So that's why alpha. So here reciprocal will be 1 by alpha. Now find what? See, if we find the product, it will be cancelled and we can easily get the value of a. So that's why we will find product, not sum. We will write product of zeros. What is the formula? You have to learn by heart. What is the formula? Constant term term by coefficient of x square. Product of zeros. So what is the zeros here? Alpha minus 1 by alpha. So write alpha. Product, you know that it will be multiplication 1 by alpha. Then constant term. How much constant term? So see, last one we always call it constant term. What is the constant term here? 6a. Value without x we will know it as a constant term. See here 6a. We will write here 6a. Coefficient of x square, how much? A square plus 9. We will write down here a square plus 9. Now alpha, next step, alpha here, alpha and alpha will be cancelled. So next step we will get what? 1 equal to 6a, what? Divided by a square plus 9. Cross multiply. So I will just multiply 1 with this. So multiply 1 into a square will be a square. 1 into 9 will be plus 9. Then equal will be equal. 6a. Nothing here means 1. 6a into 1 will be 6a. Bring 6a this side. How much we will get? A square plus 6a will come this side. It will become minus 6a plus 9 equal to 0. Next step. Yes, what we can do? How to get the value of a? Splitting middle term. Perform the middle term factorization. How we factorize? Nothing here means 1. 1 into 9 it will be 9. Do the prime factorization of 9. It will be what? 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. See, last constant term, sign before the last term is plus. So we have to get 6 by adding this number. So how we will add? A square will be a square, minus sign will be minus sign. Inside bracket what you will write? 3. 3 1 2 1 3. So 3 plus 3 6, right? 3 plus 3, a you will write a plus 9 equal 0. Next step what you will get? A square will be a square, minus into plus, minus 3 into a will be 3a, minus into plus, minus 3 into a will be 3a plus 9 equal 0. So next step what we will write? Yes, we have to find the value of a. So take common from first two. So here also a square means a into a. Here also a. So we will take a common. So a will be common. So what we will get? A, if we take common from these two, you will get a minus 3. Yes, multiply and check whether you are getting same thing or not. A into a square. A into 3 will be 3a. Now from these two term, what you will take common? Minus 3. Take minus 3 common. So it will be a. Then here what it will be, plus or minus? Obviously minus, because minus into minus plus 3, it will be what? 0, right? Then next step, see a minus 3 common, so we will write a minus 3, and whatever outside the bracket we will write here a minus 3 equal to 0. Or what you can write? A minus 3 we can write here a minus 3, 1, nothing, power 1, here 1 plus 1. It will be 2 equal to 0. Take a square root at side. It will be what? A minus 3, then root over 0. Then a square change into a square root. Next step what you will get? A minus 3 equal root over 0 will be 0. Or take a minus 3 that side, it will be plus 3. So this is our answer. We got how much? A is equal to 3. Okay. So this is our question number we got 4. Okay, answer of question number 4. Now let us try question number 5. Question number 5. Here also polynomial has been given. In here qx, they are denoting polynomial with qx equal to x square, then plus px, we have here plus 8. Yes, so now we have to find the value of p. Find the value of p. Find the value of p. How to find the value of p? Yes, let us read question. If one zero of polynomial qx is double the other, so we are getting the concept. If one we will take alpha, other will be what? 2 alpha. Yes or no? So we will write down here. Let the zeros zeros of what is our polynomial qx be alpha and what other is twice, yes or no? So alpha and twice means what? Double means what? To multiply with 2 alpha, but double of 5, so 10 multiplying with 2. So same thing here. Now find out the sum of zeros. So sum of zeros. What is the formula? See, we have to learn the formulas. Okay, so it will be what? Minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of what? Coefficient of x square, right? Now sum of the zeros. So sum of the zeros. What is our zeros here? Alpha and 2 alpha. So we will write alpha plus 2 alpha equal to minus coefficient of x. Minus will be minus. Coefficient of x is how much? Here px, right? Check in question. It's p x. Yes, no need to write bracket here. It is px. So you will write coefficient of x is what? P divided by coefficient of x square. How much? Coefficient of x square. It will be 1. Nothing is here. 1. You will write 1. Now alpha, 1 alpha plus 2 alpha it will be 3 alpha equal to minus p by 1 will be p. Next step what you will get? Alpha equal to here 3 is multiplying. It will go that side and divide. So minus p by 3. Make it equation 1. Now find out the product of zeros. Product of zeros. What is the formulas? Product of zeros. Yes, formula will be constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Constant term by coefficient of x square. Product of zeros. What is our zeros? Alpha into 2 alpha. Find out the product. So alpha product means multiplication. What other zeros is what? 2 alpha. A constant term how much? 8. We will write here 8. Then coefficient of x square, nothing means here 1. We will write down here 1. Now alpha 1 alpha into 2 alpha. 1 into 2 will be 2. Alpha into alpha how much? X into x square. So alpha into alpha square equal to 8. Now we have to get the value of p, right? So before that we will put the value of alpha. Let us put the value of here alpha. How much? Alpha from equation 1 we are getting what? Minus p by 3. Write down here minus p by 3 equal to 8. Next, what we can write here? I will drop this part. So what we can write? This equation 1 we are using alpha. Here at place of alpha we are writing minus p by 3. So we will write here from equation 1 we got this. Now simplify this square here, it will be square. What you will get? 2 will be 2 minus p square will be plus p square, right? P square minus into minus. Minus square means minus into minus plus. P square will be p square. 3 square will be how much? 3 square. 3 3 are 9, right? 9 equal 8. See 2 here dividing, multiplying. I will take other side. So what we will get? P square 9. 2 will go that side and it will divide, right? 8 by 2. Next step what we will get? We will write the value of equation 1. Equation 1 we have alpha. We will keep here alpha is equal to minus p by 3. So this is equation 1. We may need it. So next we have here, take minus 9 that side. So it will be how much? P square equal to 8 by 2. 9 it will multiply, right? Now 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. Next step, this we will again study in chapter 4. So now plus and minus. 4 we are writing 4, 9 we will write into 9. Next step p will be how much? When we will take out from here. So it will be 2, right? 2 into 2. So you write here 2. Then 9, what you will write? 3. Then plus into minus, you will write plus into minus. So directly multiply here. 2 into 3 will be how much? 6. So plus minus 6. We got the value of P how much? Plus minus 6. Means two values, right? We will write here. Next step. Yes, we will write. Next step what? P equal to plus 6 or P equal to what? Minus 6. Now if two value of P means there will be different value of alpha and what? This 2 alpha. So let us find out that value. You will write. Yes, next step, let us write. So next step we will write here plus 6p minus 6. So you write when p equal to plus 1 plus 6. So from equation what? From equation 1 what we will get? Equation 1, write down equation 1, alpha equal to minus p by 3. Yes or no? Next you will write, next step, alpha equal to p how much? Plus 6. So you will write plus 6, but minus sign is there. We will write down minus. At place of p we have plus 6, so we are writing 6 divided by what? 3. So how much we will get here? 3 2s are 6. So alpha we got how much? Minus 2. Here you have to find the value of 2 alpha also. So find the value of 2 alpha. 2 alpha will be how much? Yes, 2 into, it will be equal to 2 into, yes, minus 2 will be what? 2 into minus 2 will be minus 4, right? Next here, we have to get alpha and 2 alpha. That's why we have got here alpha. Here we are finding 2 alpha is equal to what? 2 into, and value of, put the value of alpha minus 2. 2 into minus 2 will be minus 4. So first value we got. Now we will write what? You will write when p equal to minus 6. Yes or no? We got value of p, two values, right? So we will write when p equal to minus 6. So from equation 1 what you will get? From 1 we have same equation, right? Alpha equal to minus p by 3. Yes or no? So you put this value and see how much you are getting. Alpha equal to minus p will be minus p how much? P we got, yes, minus 6. So you will put here minus 6 divided by 3. Next step, alpha equal to minus into minus plus 6 by 3. How much? 3 2s are 6. So last step what you will write here? Alpha equal to 2. Find out the value of 2 alpha. Again, twice of alpha will be how much? Twice of alpha will be 2 into, yes, 2 into 2 will be how much? It will be 4. So you got, see, value of different zeros, right? When value of p is minus plus 6, we got alpha minus 2 and then minus 4. When value of p is minus 6, we got zeros what? 2 and 4. Okay, so this is your answer.